Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I have an exciting tutorial for you. And of course, if you have one of these newer Imperial TVs, as you can see, this is the Imperial TV, this is the remote. And of course, it's the latest edition, this 2025. And as long as you have the Google operating system, which is the Google TV, which is basically Android, this tutorial should be for you. So of course, I'll be showing you on the Imperial TV with Google TV how to set or how to connect to Wi-Fi. So of course, if you want to learn how to connect to Wi-Fi or switch between Wi-Fi networks, this guide will be for you. So I'll be using the remote to navigate, OK to select. All right. So of course, if you see I'm at the home screen and of course nothing is set up. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to move over. Once I move over, guys, you'll see this cool menu here. And of course, you can see the date and time. But of course, if I move down, I can quickly tap here and select Wi-Fi. Now, of course, that's the fastest way to access the Wi-Fi network. And as you look down here, it shows that no internet connection. But of course, if you want to find another way, in case it's not there, go to settings, which is the gear icon right there. You're going to select, and of course, we're going to move down. Here it says network or and internet. And it says Wi-Fi turned off. So if you select that, you go in, we're going to turn on Wi-Fi. So we tap and the toggle is on. It will take a minute. It's going to search for the available networks. There you go. It's seeing one network, which is my network here. And of course, if I tap, what's going to happen is that it's going to ask for the password. And of course, what we're going to do here is just enter the password. And if we enter the password next, what's going to happen is that it's going to connect to the internet. And of course, we'll have Wi-Fi. All right, so I've entered the password, providing that is correct, it should go through. So I'm gonna hit continue. And of course, I'm not sure if it's correct. Let's see. All right, so yes, it's correct. It's correct. So we've connected successfully with the correct password. So we can go back. And of course, we now have internet. So of course, it's prompting us to connect to stuff that would use the internet, but we do not need that right now. So that's how you connect to the internet using your device. And of course, it says you're on your Imperial TV. So this is a Imperial device. And as always, thank you guys for tuning in. Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.